Tired of outrageous phone bills? Let's ditch the big carriers and get Mint Mobile running on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. First, grab your Mint Mobile SIM card kit and your iPhone. Power down your iPhone completely before we begin. Next, use the SIM ejector tool, often a small metal pin, to gently push into the tiny hole on the side of your iPhone to eject the SIM card tray. Remove your old SIM card and carefully insert the Mint Mobile SIM card into the tray. Now, slide the SIM tray back into your iPhone until it clicks into place. Power on your iPhone. Often, iPhones will automatically detect the Mint Mobile SIM and configure the necessary APN settings. However, if you find your data isn't working, you might need to manually add the app settings. Head to Mint Mobile's website. They will have the exact APN settings and step-by-step instructions for iOS. Okay, time to activate your service. Download the Mint Mobile app from the App Store or visit mintmobile.com on your computer or another device. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Input your activation code and choose your Mint Mobile plan. Enter the information required, including your IMEI number. If prompted, you can find this in your iPhone settings under General. Then About. Follow the prompts to complete the activation. Once activated, your iPhone should connect to the Mint Mobile network. You should see the Mint Mobile signal bars at the top of your screen. Ensure you can make calls, send texts, and use mobile data. That's it. You're now enjoying the savings and flexibility of Mint Mobile on your iPhone. Enjoy the freedom and savings.